So today, gang, we have got a sneak peek of one of the world debut fixtures that's going to be debuted at DJ Expo. And I've got Jose Heredia here. Jose, what do we have here for everyone to see for the first time?
All right, so for the very first time, what you're seeing right here is called the Stinger Star. And we're expanding on our Stinger series. I'm sure you remember our Stinger, our original Stinger by StarTech. And then later, we came out with the Stinger 2. And now we've come out with a new line of Stingers ready to hit the market at the DJ Expo, and this is one of them, the Stinger Star.
Now, Jose, there's a lot of things going on with that fixture. Tell us a little bit more about it.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. So as you well know, the Stingers are an economical way to give you more bang for your buck. We add 3 effects into one fixture, and this is no different. We have 3 distinct effects working for you. So right off the top, you'll see the dome, and inside the dome is RGB LEDs. They're arranged in a way that rotate back and forth and shoot off a really bright array of beams across the room. The beam angle on this fixture is insane. So you got that effect going for it. And next to that is an array of LED color washes. And these are 1 watt RGBA washes all around this aperture right here. And right here in this aperture, we've added a 5 milliwatt red and green laser. And this laser, as you'll see in the video, produces some very bright beams that shoot across the room. But this isn't your typical laser that you've been seeing in the Stinger series. Actually, this is a brand new laser that gives you a really different and unique effect. Not only will it give you some really cool laser dots that shoot across all around the room, but it also will give you little shapes, arrows, stars, circles, lines. Those shapes can be manipulated in any way you want. You can have them go backwards, you can have them go rotate, you can have them do all sorts of cool stuff with an added mirror that's inside the laser. So that's 3 effects in one. You got the dome with the bright 3 watt LEDs. We've got 6 colors in those LEDs: red, green, blue, amber, white, UV. And you also have the LED wash lights all around this aperture, and inside the aperture, you got the 5 milliwatt red and green laser.
Very nice. Now, if a person wanted to mount that, can you mount that horizontal and vertical? Because right now you've got it kind of more horizontal, but could we mount that up and down?
Well, there's 2 different types of ways to mount it. You can use a hanging bracket, which you can mount it on a truss, on a T-bar. You can mount it on a totem if you wanted to. This knobs will allow you to adjust the bracket, so you could actually put it on a totem facing the front, or you can hang it. And another way to mount it is underneath. You'll find that it has rubber feet, so you could actually put it on the floor or on a table and give you a different effect altogether.
Ah, okay. Very nice. Now, I would guess that it's master-slave, so you could have one on each side of your DJ system?
Absolutely. So in the back here, you have your power IC in and outs. So you could run a power to like a master unit and then run an IC cable to the slave unit. And of course, you got your DMX inputs and outputs. So you could run your master-slave mode into the master unit and then run a DMX cable to the slave unit. And they will coordinate together automatically. You'll plug them in and they'll already know that they're running a master-slave mode and start working right away. Or if you want, you could even coordinate them using a DMX software. So if you're a type of DJ or a lighting designer that loves to control the lighting, then you could plug it into the DMX input in the back, be able to program what DMX channel you have. It has 2 DMX modes. There's a 2-channel mode and a 14-channel mode. So you could get really into controlling every single aspect of this fixture, from the dimming and the strobing of all the effects to choosing what kind of patterns and colors you get to do. And it gets really exciting once you start doing that. So it's a very easy layout. You've got the safety loop in the back. You always want to make sure you got it safety tied to your truss. You don't want anybody getting hurt out there. So really versatile light. Again, it's a part of our Stinger series to be able to bring you more bang for your buck, 3 effects in one, and really being able to bring less equipment with more options, more versatility.
Very nice, very nice. Do we have a map pricing on that yet?
Not at this moment, but I'm sure these are going to be really affordable. The Stinger series have really proven to be one of our most popular fixtures because of the reason that you get more lighting for a less amount of money, and I don't think these will be any different.
That sounds great. That sounds great. Again, the name of that fixture is?
This is the Stinger Star. Stinger Star, and it's a star of our Stinger series.
That sounds great. For more information, they can go and check them out at?
ADJ.com and look up Stinger Star, and you'll get more information on the specs and where to get it.
That sounds great. Jose, thank you much for this sneak peek.